We are now trekking into a high-altitude realm, where the air thins and every step becomes a conscious effort. The trees are gone. The trail climbs into a valley ringed by ice, the peaks wearing snow and glacier, the ground below turning to bare rock and moraine. From here, the mountain sets the pace. Today is day 6 of the trek. Unlike yesterday's up and down, today's climb is steady. From Deboche, the trail rises through Pangboche, dips once to cross a glacial river, then pushes straight into Dingboche, entering the 4,000-meter altitude zone with a gain of 640 meters. We leave Deboche early, the trail picking up right where yesterday ended. Along the path, stone markers and old walls line the way, a reminder that people have walked this route for generations. The last flowers of the trip show up here, small clusters of yellow and purple growing right out of the rock. Further along, the trees start thinning, shorter now, fewer of them, the forest giving way to open hillside. Prayer flags mark the high points, strung between rock and wind. Ahead, the trail turns rough, loose rock and scree underfoot, poles out for balance on every uneven step. The climb isn't dramatic, just relentless, one careful footing after another. The peaks close in around us now, their summits catching cloud even on a clear day. This high in the valley, the mountains set their own weather, and the trail simply moves through whatever they decide to send down. The path narrows further, cutting along a ridge with the valley falling away on one side, a glacial river cutting white through grey rock far below. Every bend brings another version of the same view, rock, water, and distance. The trail drops to a narrow bridge over the glacial river, then climbs straight back up the other side. From here, it's meant to be 20 minutes to the village. At this altitude, it takes longer than the map says. We walk through this final stretch of rock and scrub, then drop down into Dingboche village. Stone-walled fields spread across the valley floor, the first real settlement since Pangboche. Here, we spend the night, resting before tomorrow, the acclimatization day that gives the body time to catch up with the altitude. This is the satellite route map, from Deboche to Dingboche, the same journey we just walked. The trail climbs through Pangboche, hugging the cliffside above the river gorge, before opening near Ferish and Chukung, then turning north into Dingboche. Tomorrow will be our second acclimatization stop of the trek. Still climbing new places. Subscribe, and come along for what's next.